everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, you've got a ton of videos scattered across your computer, movies, shows, home videos, and you're tired of being stuck watching them on a tiny screen. Well, today I'm going to show you how to unleash your entire media library onto your Fire TV wirelessly and effortlessly using a fantastic free tool called MyPlex. Let's check it out. The best part about MyPlex is that it's completely free to use for everyone. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, and absolutely no sign-ups are required. It's the key to turning your Fire TV into a powerhouse media center. No more fumbling with USB drives or struggling with complicated network setups. We're going to dive deep and show you exactly how to get it working in minutes. First things first, we need to get MyPlex Home installed on your computer. This is where your media library lives, and MyPlex will organize it for seamless streaming. And remember, this is all completely free. Whether you're on a Windows PC or a Mac, MyPlex Home has you covered. Head over to myplex.tv. It's completely free and you don't even need to create an account. That's right, no sign-ups. Download the version of MyPlex Home that matches your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac, and run the installer. It's a straightforward process, just follow the prompts and you'll be up and running in no time. Once installed, open MyPlex Home. You'll be greeted with a clean, intuitive interface. Now the magic happens, adding your media folders. Click the Video Directory widget. Navigate to the folders containing your videos and select them. MyPlex will scan and index your files, creating a beautiful, organized library. The user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to use. When you're done and ready to start streaming, click the Start Server button. And here's the massive bonus. MyPlex offers comprehensive format compatibility. That means you can throw just about any video file at it. MP4, AVI, MKV, you name it, and MyPlex will handle it seamlessly. No more struggling with conversion tools or worrying about whether your files will play. It just works. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, is this safe? Well, absolutely. MyPlex has a strict no logs policy, meaning that your personal data and viewing habits are completely private. Your privacy is a top priority. Now let's switch to your Fire TV. Go to the Amazon App Store and search for MyPlex. Download and install it. Now this is the app that will connect to your MyPlex home server on your PC. And yes, you guessed it, the player is also totally free. To keep this amazing service free, you'll see minimal ads that appear only once when the application loads. There are no intrusive pop-ups or interruptions during playback. Now here's the crucial part, connecting the two. Now make sure both your Windows PC or Mac and Fire TV are connected to the same home network. Open MyPlex on your Fire TV and it should automatically detect your MyPlex home server, which is running on your computer. Select your computer from the list and there you have it. Your entire media library is now accessible on your Fire TV. Now, before you dive in, there's one important thing to note. Currently, MyPlex doesn't support VPN usage. Now, this is because the local network discovery relies on being on the same network, and VPNs can interfere with that. Now, the developers are aware of this and are actively working on a solution. They hope to have an update to resolve this issue in about a month. So if you're using a VPN, you'll need to temporarily turn it off for MyPlex to work. Aside from that, MyPlex is a fantastic tool. Whether you're a movie buff, a binge watcher, or just want to enjoy your home videos on the big screen, MyPlex is the perfect solution. It's free, easy to use, offers comprehensive format capability, and transforms your Fire TV into the ultimate entertainment hub. So what are you waiting for? Head over to myplex.tv, download MyPlex Home and give it a try. Trust me, you won't be disappointed with how stupidly easy this is to use. And remember, it's totally free with no sign-ups or subscriptions. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment and subscribe to my channel, making sure that you turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my latest releases. These small actions from you make a big difference to me and help to improve how YouTube recommends my videos to potential subscribers. And I truly appreciate your help in making my channel grow.